Hallo Leute! Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel German from Scratch. And today we are going to learn numbers from 21 to 100. And in order to learn numbers 1 to 20, please follow the link in the description below. Right? So let's get started. So number 21 is called as einundzwanzig. So ein is written first and then zwanzig, yeah, and then number 20, it's zwanzig. And number 1 and this 20 is combined with und. Und means and, so it's ein und zwanzig. So if you notice, it's not eins here, right? So ein is actually eins. It's not eins und zwanzig. So this s goes off and it becomes einundzwanzig and not eins und zwanzig. Okay, it's einundzwanzig, right? So we'll see number 22. 22 would be again. So this zwei would come first, right? Zwei and then zwanzig. It's zweiundzwanzig. Zweiundzwanzig. Right? Next is number 23. It's drei. Again, drei would come first and then zwanzig. Dreiundzwanzig. 24. It's vier. Vierundzwanzig. Vierundzwanzig. Number 25. Fünf. So fünf and then zwanzig. Fünfundzwanzig. 26. 26. 6 is sechs. Sechsundzwanzig. Sechsundzwanzig. Number 27. So number 7 is sieben. Sieben. Siebenundzwanzig. Siebenundzwanzig. 28. So acht would come first. Acht. And then zwanzig. Achtundzwanzig. 29. It's neun. Neunundzwanzig. 29. Next number 30. 30 would be dreißig. Dreißig. Yeah, this dreißig. Dreißig. Okay, so let's see number 31 to 40 now. So number 31 would be again, will it be eins und dreißig? No, it's einunddreißig, right? Einunddreißig. 32, it's zweiunddreißig. Zweiunddreißig. 33, dreiunddreißig. 34, vierunddreißig. 35, fünfunddreißig. Easy, right? So we'll see number 36 now. It's sechsunddreißig. Sechsunddreißig. 37, siebenunddreißig. That's right. 38. Achtunddreißig. Achtunddreißig. 39. Neununddreißig. And 40 would be, any guesses? 40. Vierzig. Vierzig. Okay. So 40 is vierzig. 50 would be fünfzig. Fünfzig. 60 would be sechzig. Yes, it's not sechzig, it's sechzig. Yeah? 70 would be again, it's not siebenzig, it's siebzig. Siebzig. Okay? 80 is achtzig. 90, yes, it is neunzig. Neunzig. And 100 would be hundert or else einhundert. Hundert oder einhundert. Einhundert is 100. Hundert oder einhundert. So guys, it would be really better if you start writing numbers 40 to 100 and practice. Start practicing. In case of any questions, please put it on the comment section below. Right? So now let's see if you remember the numbers. Let's get started. So number 21 is, yes, it's ein und zwanzig. 21. 16. This is from the previous video. 16 is sechzehn and not sechzehn. It's sechzehn. And 60 is 60. It's sechzig. That's right. 17. 17 is siebzehn. And 70. Okay, 70 is siebzig. So numbers 16, 60, 17 and 70. With these numbers, you need to be a bit careful. Yeah? Number 80. 80 is 80. That's right. 66. It's sechsundsechzig. Sechsundsechzig. 77. It's siebenundsiebzig. That's right. 82. Zweiundachtzig. Zweiundachtzig. 100. 100. Right? So guys, that's all for today. Keep practicing. And yes, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.